Hi folks, this is Shawn with Clearly Windows. We're here at another apartment complex, large property down south of us, and we're going to do some soft washing on some buildings. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, I just got here to Olympia. Just wanted to say welcome, friends. We're doing all of the siding cleaning on this building and of the garages and the decks and the carports. And then, all right, Ben's getting the back side of this garage. Put some chemical down. And just nice, even coating of the chemical. And then he just lets that dwell and then rinse it. Wish you could smell. I got the smell of bleach in the air. Ben is pre-treating the exterior of the gutters here, and he's just making sure that he gets a nice even coat on this garage unit, multi-car garage. And you can just see that the dirty on here. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to see the dirt on this, but yeah, he just lays the chemical on there. He'll have this done in a few minutes, and then we just do the rinsing. All right, here we are. We're making sure we spray down cars because we're throwing chemical on the siding right here. Got Ben and Abby, and basically we just want to coat all of the surfaces with the soft wash chemical. And one of the things that we can do to ensure everybody stays happy is wetting down the cars and stuff like that. So as you can see, Ben's putting chemical on the siding, and then we'll let that dwell for a few minutes, and then Abby will rinse it down. So now what we do after the chemicals had a chance to dwell or just sit on the siding, it's killing all the moss and the mildew, anything that's growing on the siding, and then we rinse it down, and it's all good to go. So here's one of the stairwells that Leo was working on, and getting the walls done, going up and down the stairs, getting the supports for the stairs up all the way up to the 3rd floor. And that's good stuff. Okay, friends, we're at the end of a multi-day process doing siding, and the guys are going to come back next week and wash the windows. But for this week, we're done with this major project. The guys have been working on site here for, I believe it's been 7 or 8 days, and all of the siding has been done. We've done the carports, we've done the garages, and now we're going to turn around and do the windows next week. So maybe some more video on that next week, but you've seen lots of our videos with the window cleaning. But if you are in the need of soft wash, it could be a large commercial job or a small residential job, we'd love to help you out. And so if you need us, Clearly Windows, you can find us online at clearlywindows.com, and our telephone number, area code 253-952-6444. Again, this is Shawn, and hope you enjoy our videos. Subscribe and like. Thank you. That's what it looks like when they're done walking back to the truck. 2 amigos, Dylan and Leo. Man, they get some work done. So proud of these guys. They do hard work every single day. Love it.